Hi, I'm Julie. I'm a certified carrier consultant. Today I'm going to show you how to pop on a carrier and ensure that the straps aren't too close to your neck. I'm going to use the Beko Gemini, but this principle applies to any carrier that has straps. So I've already got the carrier around my waist. I've got my baby. I just place her down and pull up the back of the carrier. I pop one strap over my shoulder and let it dangle. That's the important thing, to let it dangle and give it a slight tug. Therefore it's sitting in the middle bit of my shoulder, not too close to my neck and not falling off. I can then reach around and pop it into the clip and just pull back slightly. So I'm going to do that again with the other side. So I'm just going to pop it over my shoulder in the middle, give it a little tug down, around and into the clip and pull back. And that means it's not like this against my neck, it's sitting naturally in the nice middle bit of your neckline.